So this is the laneway up to Casita Las Piedras, and you basically go through this beautiful tree-covered laneway. Lots of birds for nature lovers like us. And you don't think there's anything on the other side, but then there's a whole bunch of houses on the other side. So these are the gates that you can drive in. And then there's this wall here. Vehicle here. And there's a garage here for the owner of the property. And then those stairs there go up to the upper casa where we're not staying. And you have this beautiful view here of these lovely, magnificent trees. And then down here is the man door, where you can just walk in if you don't have a vehicle. And then over here, the steps, you would go up. And so we're staying here at Casita Las Piedras, which is again a casita of a very large grand house, but we're paying a fraction of the cost that you would pay to stay at the casa. And this is the kitchen area, and there's doors that open onto the from the kitchen onto the seating area. And then these are the main doors in. And as you enter onto your left, you have this little seating area and a television. Then onto your right, we have the kitchen. We have some nice granite countertops. We've got some cute little seating here with these cute little wicker tops. And we have this nice little kitchen area with a microwave. We've got these pretty windows looking out to the garden. And we've got a stove and an oven and a gas stove, and with a little cover that you can open up and then close. I guess maybe use it for a little bit of counter space, and also keep the cooktop cleaner. So looking out from the kitchen here right onto the seating area, you have a really pretty view of the trees, a beautiful tree area. This house is in kind of a more out of the way place. And we go up these really nice curved, hand-carved wooden stairs up into the bedroom. It's completely open concept, so you have the bedroom here. And right off the bedroom is the bathroom. Very nice, beautiful wood, probably local area wood for your vanity here. And then you have your closet here where you can hang your stuff up, some towels there. And on one side here, you have your toilet with nice stone floors. And then on the other side here, you have your shower, also with nice stone floors. Window up top, place to put your shampoo and stuff. So, very open concept. I'm just going to do a little panorama here. Bathroom. To bedroom. And then the view that we're going to wake up to in the morning out the window. So this is the outdoor view from the casita. There's not really an ocean view, but you do have a lovely view of the forest canopy. And these are the steps going down to the man door here. And you can see why it's called Casita Las Piedras, because Piedras does mean rock, or it's stone in Spanish. And you'll see that There's a lot of stone here. I really love the use of natural materials actually here. The doors are a beautiful wood. All these natural little stones here. Beautiful wooden doors. I imagine this fountain usually is going, but it's not at the moment. If you look up there, you'll see seating area for Casita Las Piedras. And then up the steps here. Yeah, I really like the use of materials here. Even the steps. Got these stones in. Because paint and plaster tend to peel off in the heat and humidity of Mexico, so natural materials like stone are really kind of your best choice, I think.